In front of me is POCO C40, and today I would like to show you how you can access all your downloads on this device. You need to begin by opening an app called File Manager. Now click on Try or Cancel in this new feature pop-up. And when you're ready, choose this little icon, the folder one next to the clock, and tap on Download folder. As you can see, all my downloads are over here. If you wish to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!